Yeah. You ride it like it did yesterday.
That's how it should be. You practice that way for a reason.
Sales en 20 segundos, te puedes tirar cuando el ojo llega a 5.
Yeah. 10 seconds, and you have to 5 you can go. Lots of broken shit. Well, that was pretty much over after that. I never really could get refocused and able to do anything meaningful after that. I think I was partially unclipped. I decided right here just to take it easy. Didn't want to go down again. My brain was all over the place. And then I think here I ended up just taking a slow route. Might have even dabbed. I felt so good up in the upper section, but it is what it is. TTC is pretty brutal. And then going through here, I wasn't particularly worried, but for whatever reason, I don't even know what happened. I came down this little section here, and I think I just probably tapped the front brake a little bit, and it was so slimy. And then after that, it was pretty much just a matter of surviving to the end.
Just holding on for dear life.
Once I saw the other rider and heard the message, I just pulled off here. It was already so far behind, didn't want to get in his way, and that's it.
Into second place with a 312.708. Sean Herman into third with a 350.844.